Yeah, Rahul, good evening. Just like to add another thing to what Mr. Sen has said. Deportation is the sovereign right of the country on whose territory a person is found. Now, in such cases, the country on whose territory a person is found has usually two options. The first option is to send the person back to the territory from where he entered. The other option is to send him back to the country to which he belongs, of which he is a citizen. Now, that becomes tricky because Mehul Choksi, continues to be a citizen of Antigua, and he has not irrevocably given up his Indian citizenship as things stand today. So it's important for us to prove that Mehul still is an Indian national, and
But how
Antiguan
will you prove
nationality
it? I was
does
reading
continue.
Indian
I've
law.
read a,
Indian law, as it stands at this moment, says
yeah.
if you assume nationality of another country, you cease to be an Indian national, because India doesn't allow for dual citizenship. So according to Section 9 of the Indian Citizenship Act of 1955, any citizen who acquires foreign citizenship at that moment itself ceases to be an Indian citizen, sir.
Yes, that part is tricky. Rahul,
Rupin?
the electricity here.
Don't worry, you're in Nagaland, electricity goes off even in India. Please go on speaking, Rupin. We'll just listen to what you're saying.
So that's the tricky part, that India would have to prove that. Now, if the Indian law says that, I don't know how we will overcome that aspect. But on the other hand, there is also the condition that I've read a report that Antigua has also, the Prime Minister has written to him serving a notice, I believe in 2019, that his citizenship can be taken away because he has misrepresented facts. So I don't know what has happened, but he continues to be an Antiguan
So let's
citizen.
just wait for that light to come back, or you make some alternate arrangements. Till then, Vijay Agarwal. Now here's the key thing. The Antiguan Prime Minister seems pretty keen to get rid of Mehul Choksi. Given the pressure India is putting on this case, from all of what I've seen from the Antiguan Prime Minister, he says take him away from Dominica, just take him back. So he's not even insisting on behalf of the government of Antigua that your client be sent back.
See, as a head of a country, it is his constitutional duty to protect his citizen. At this moment, there is no denial of the fact that Mr. Mehul Choksi was, is, and continues to be Antiguan citizen. So, if I am citizen of a country, what is the duty of the head of the state towards me? So, if a particular head of the state chooses not to perform the duty, then what can I say? So, it is giving a very bad impression to the world that a country deserts its own citizen. They should say that why should any other country try my citizen? The provision of Extradition Act has to be followed. So they should say, they should they should be doing lobbying about it. They should be giving the legal help so that Mr. Mehul Choksi comes back to Antigua, and in Antigua he faces the legal process. If he is to be extradited, he will be extradited.
But they're not doing that. That's what you'd like them to do. But they've pretty much left Mehul Choksi to his own devices. So the legal case that you build up in Dominica is all that will save him. Otherwise, the Antiguan government is ready to let him go.
Yes, that is what pains me, and I have never seen that any head of the state or any state leaving its citizen in lurch. So good luck to them. So now we are the people of the last resort. So now Mehul Choksi has to rely only on the lawyers.
Okay, Aman Sinha, you know, you heard from what the Joint Director of the CBI said. You've heard also from the lawyer of Mehul Choksi. Is this, you're an advocate yourself, is this looking like a really tough case? While the Indian government and supporters of the BJP would like to get Mehul Choksi back, the law at this moment seems to favor Choksi going back to Antigua.
That's not correct in my opinion. As a senior advocate, I can tell you, Rahul, Mehul Choksi is a fugitive from Indian law. He's wanted in multi-crore, 14,000 crore PNB scam and fraud cases. They're very serious criminal cases under Prevention of Money Laundering Act, the Fugitive Economic Offenders Act, cheating, criminal conspiracy, etc. I'm not even dwelling into details. And it seems he had exhausted all the remedies which were available to him in Antigua because extradition proceedings were going on. In Antigua, he tried to escape to Cuba. On way, he was caught by this Dominican police. Now, there are red corner notices, Interpol warrants issued against Mehul Choksi. There is Mehul Choksi has not evaded to Antigua because of love for Antigua. This is not a case for niceties of the Passport Act, etc. This is a biggest fraudster who is running away, evading the Indian jurisprudence, Indian criminal law. And if this same analogy is repeated in other cases, people will commit frauds here. They'll buy citizenship in some other country and say that we have surrendered citizenship and cease to be
Vishnu
Indian citizens.
Prakash,